Transformer operates on Faraday's principle of electromagnetic induction or mutual induction between two coils. The transformer consists of two separate windings, primary and secondary, placed over the silicon laminated steel core. When an alternating supply is given to the primary windings, the primary windings set up an alternating flux. This alternating flux, by circulating through the core of the transformer and its links with the secondary windings. Now, as the supply given to the primary winding is alternating in nature, it induces an EMF in the secondary winding. This is due to the mutual induction between the two coils. The induced EMF in the primary and the secondary windings depend upon the rate of change of flux linkage between the two windings.